this is just a quick spur of the moment vibe. I just got my friend Basil now. I asked him to actually do some work on a few bolts that I need to be sorted. Anyway, the point I'm trying to get at is we are going to Killarney today. We're actually going to remove his seats right now, and then hopefully we can enter at Killarney. I think Tyler's going to be there as well. Hopefully we can line them two up and have a few races. Guys, so we just arrived to Killarney right now. Basil's just going to enter over there, and then we're going to head inside and have a few races. I think we're actually very early. I'm not quite sure if you guys heard how loud this type of sounds. But Basil's actually worried about a noise complaint because they can actually, how can I say, disqualify you if your car is actually too loud. But yeah, hopefully they don't. So yeah. Tyler. Hello.
I think there is a bit of a jump here. I'm gonna rule this one out. It was a jump. It was a jump. Sorry. Right, it's slightly but shifting a bit too late there in the right lane. Left hand capitalizing. Oh, this is so close. There the right lane opens up.
Okay guys, so here we have a Honda Jazz with a K20 engine in. To my understanding, this is the CL7 engine or CRV. These are also 5-speed. We'll show you guys interior over here. So this car actually drove against Basil right now, against the red FE2. I think Basil won him by 2 or 3, 4 cars, I think. But yeah, this is a pretty cool setup. I think he mentioned it cost around 90k for everything, if I'm not mistaken. It's not a bad car. Actually looks very much like a sleeper. And then later on we'll be racing against Tyler. But yeah, let me just show you guys the interior. Has a cool in-dash Android.
It's 2 of them, not sure which one.
Like I said, 5-speed.
Are you sure that's the right car?
This is the rear of the car. So yeah, we're gonna link up with Tyler later and race against Tyler. Tyler obviously still have his rear seating, and Basil doesn't. But yeah, we're gonna line them up and see what happens.
Are you calling out everybody? Anybody want to take on any 90? Taking on the very quick hard to jazz of Andrew. He's going to drive around he's taking in the right place. Right lane by one, right lane by one.
Shiny over.
Right, so go. By a half a car.
My dudes, this is just going to be a quick unboxing video of a few parts that STM will be supplying another K series build. So the parts that we have here is suspension parts, and then I just threw in the camber kit as well as the upper control arm just to do a quick comparison. As you guys know, this is a camber kit, so it obviously has the adjustment of camber. However, both do come with a ball joint as well as the bushes. So this is more ideal for the stance guys, or for you guys that maybe just want to dial in your alignment a little bit better. This is the normal upper control arm with a ball joint as well as the bushes on the side. And then this is some stabilizer links. This is the lower ball joint. This is the rear hub with bearing. These are also compatible with the ABS, as well as this is the front bearing. This is a trailing arm bush, as well as this is the tie rod ends. So this is the main, how can I say, components I would say on your suspension. So the reason why the customer actually wanted me to supplying these parts is because he actually wanted to go tune his K series build, but his tuner mentioned that he needed to do the suspension parts in order for them to tune, because it might be a little bit risky, whatever the case may be. But yeah guys, once this parts is installed and the car is tuned, I'll maybe feature the car on the channel and show you guys how the car performs with the parts as well as with the K series engine, etc. So yeah, hope you guys enjoy these small little unboxing videos, and then please do like and subscribe.